Thinking of an hands-free business to get started with at this time of the economy, where the economy is telling everybody get something in addition or get something started immediately? Yes, palm oil as an investment package business is an hands-free business which I introduce to anyone that is looking out for a business to do as a beginner or an entrepreneur looking for an additional means of livelihood, or even a retiree or a working class. Yes, this business can actually be done by anyone, but note, to the success of any business there is need for proper tutorship and mentorship so that you won't get your fingers burnt. I know you'll be thinking, is it not palm oil? I can easily get palm oil in any place. Yes, you can, but do you know the best time to buy the oil? Do you know the type of oil you need to buy so that you won't get a bad oil to store? Do you know the right time to sell the oil and how best to market the oil as at the time of selling? All this and more are what we'll be taking you through our training platform, and you need to quickly click the link right now or the learn more button to have access to the free training we have for you, and after that register for the premium class.